batch of soap, and I'm not going to color the soap at all. I'm just going to decorate the tops with this beautiful mix of dried flowers. We're going to be using raspberry lilac. This fragrance smells so wonderful. I've already got my kaolin clay and all my butters and hard oils already blended up, and my liquid oils. I'm going to go and add my lye water solution into my oil mixture and get started. So I'll speed up the video and I will come back shortly. Into this mixture, I will add just a little bit of titanium dioxide just to give it a little bit more of a white color. Not very much. And into this bucket, since I'm not going to be dividing it out, I'm going to go ahead and add my fragrance oil in. Get it all blended in together. This fragrance oil smells wonderful. Alright, I'm going to scrape everything down and I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and get this up, pour it in. It's our mold here. Like I said, it's just a white soap. I will scrape all of this down, bang it down, and I'll be back to top it off. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead, and I cannot work in my gloves when I do this. I just cannot deal with these herbs with gloves on. So I'm going to use a spoon instead. Now, this is a mixture of cornflowers, calendula, and roses, and it's a very beautiful blend. I'm just going to go ahead and shake some on here. Some of this will come off when I go to cut it, but I think it looks very elegant and very pretty. And we're just going to put it on there, and I'm not going to mash it down. I'm going to mash it down with my spatula, but I'm going to put it on with my hands. And I put more than I should, because when I go to cut it, I know a lot will fall off of it, and that's okay. So I'll take this now and go down with my spatula and kind of press just gently so that all of these stick. So there we have it. That's a very easy soap. It has no color on the inside, only some beautiful color on the top. So I'm going to take you and give you a picture of it so you can see it. I will be back in just a moment and we will slice this loaf of soap up. Stick around. Welcome back to day 2, guys. We're going to slice this baby up, see what it looks like. It smells magnificent. This is probably one of my new favorite fragrances. We're going to tilt it on its side, as you can see, so that the soap doesn't have drag marks through it. And I'm not going to stick around for the entire slicing because it's a plain soap. It's not colored. It's just a plain soap with the herbs on the top. So I'm not going to bore you guys with the whole thing. I'm just going to show you a few slices, and then I'll post some pretty pictures in the video. I like the plain white soap with a pretty colorful dried herbs on the end. I think it's really pretty. It's very elegant. It's just something different than what I normally do. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. I want y'all to please hit the subscribe button if you choose to do so, and hit the notification bell so that you know each time that we post new videos each week. We just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to go over to our 1,000 subscriber giveaway video that we have and enter to win. We've got some good prizes to give away. So if once we hit that 1,000 subscriber notification, then we will go ahead and draw a winner for the prizes and keep growing from there. And we appreciate each and everybody's support. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a great, wonderful day.